Let's see how to connect your flash drive on your MacBook. So the thing is very simple. We can't directly connect this USB-A in to your MacBook because on MacBook it only supports USB-C. So we need a converter. Here comes this one, OTG. So in this case I'm going to use USB-C OTG. This is one option. You can use like this, or this one, USB-C to HDMI adapter. So this is a multi-purpose device. We can use this for file transferring and also for screen mirroring. It's under $5. And the final thing is you can use a dual link flash drive. So this is a PNY dual link flash drive. This is USB-A port, and if we flip, this will convert as USB-C port. We can directly plug it this on your MacBook or any other device, phone, anything. So I suggest everyone to buy this type of flash drive if you want to buy a new one. So it's really solid and works fine. I like this brand. So it's my personal advice, and for now we are going to use this OTG. If you want to buy any OTG, make sure you buy this one, SS symbol mentioned over that. It means the file transferring was very super fast, and the product quality is usually good if it's mentioned SS over that. So it's so simple. You just take your flash drive and directly connect like this. That's it. This is the old setup. Grab this one and go to your Mac USB port. This is the C port. I usually go with the top one. You can also use the second one also. Just connect and just wait. Okay. Now click Finder app, and here you can see the flash drive, my PNY flash drive. Under location you will find that. You just move the cursor over that and right click here, then get info, and that's it. Here you can see your flash drive details. So capacity is 62 and available 62. So there is no file. I think it's formatted to expand. That's a universal format. In case if it's a new flash drive, first before transferring files, you need to format your flash drive into expand. You just right click here, erase disk, select expand and click erase and confirm that. Then after you do this process, you start transfer the files. Okay, let's see how to transfer the files. It's actually very simple. If you want to move photos, videos or any files from MacBook to your SD card, move all those items into your desktop and create a folder and move all those files into the folder. And here open the drive, flash drive. For example, if this is a folder, you want to move from MacBook to flash drive, drag and drop. It's transferring here, you can see. Just wait. Okay, it's moved from my MacBook to my flash drive. In case if you want to move from flash drive to your MacBook, you just open command, hold command and select, and to specifically select means hold command and tab using your trackpad like this. In case if you wish to select all, command E. You can do like this, drag and drop it, or if you want to move the whole folder, same, drag and drop. It's transferring. That's it. It's done. So this is simply how you need to do. And to eject this, you just click the triangle icon, then it will eject. And before that, you can also do one repair thing, like if you want to repair your flash drive. So click command and space bar and type disk and open the disk utility. You need to double tap. Under external, you will see your flash drive. Click that, and here is the first aid option and restore option. You can try these two options. If it haven't worked, you just erase your flash drive and it will convert as new flash drive. Then later we can use that. While you format your flash drive, make sure you select the exFAT file format. It is the universal file format. You can use that flash drive on both Windows and Macs. The Apple devices. Okay, let's eject that. You just click the triangle icon. Okay, it's done. Now just remove this. That's it. You got it. And if you want to know more videos about file transferring, you need to watch this playlist.